A beautiful morning begins with a charming little kitten stretching and yawning as it wakes up from its peaceful slumber, ready to explore the day with its bright, curious eyes.
Mom, I'm feeling hungry. Please give me something to eat.
Yes!
Son, help me clean the microwave first, and then I'll cook chicken for you.
Okay, Mom.
Chicken is here. Mom got busy with her work, and the little kitten started its mischief.
Wow, this is so nice, but it's really hot.
Mom is busy listening to music. Oh no, my son! The kitten is in a very serious condition. God save my son.
Don't worry, your son is fine.
Parents should always keep an eye on their children and never leave them alone. A single mistake can lead to a huge loss.